Today we have with us a special guest. Carlos Capellan is an insurance expert. He's a risk management in the insurance industry. Carlos, thank you for being with us here today.
Thank you for having me.
We wanted to educate the consumer a little bit about homeowners insurance. Why does someone need homeowners insurance, Carlos?
That's a great question, Selena. There's two primary reasons why people need homeowners insurance, in my opinion. First and foremost is because the majority of the homes in this country are lender finance, and the lender is going to require insurance for their collateral. So that's the first reason. And secondly, and in my opinion, more importantly, is because the home represents the customer's biggest, at times, and huge investment and asset. So for their own protection, they should have homeowners insurance. And I recommend that even after the fact. A lot of times people get to that magical year where they get 30 and they pay off their home. And they don't need forced bank lending insurance anymore, but they should have it.
Understood. Very good. And what does homeowners insurance coverage provide?
Homeowners insurance provides a lot of coverage. It's amazing how sometimes we take that for granted. First and foremost, again, it provides insurance for the collateral, the construction replacement value of the home, which the bank cares about. Secondly, it provides protection for the customer's personal belongings. Think of your clothing, your appliances, your furniture, all that. It also provides liability insurance for unintentional acts of negligence that the customer may do. Think of it not clearing the snow in time or ice and somebody trips and falls and they sue them. So there's protection for that. And another protection that's very important is what's called loss of use. Loss of use provides protection to the consumer. If they have a loss in the home and they can't habitate the loss, then we'll pay for short-term rental in a hotel or a longer stay if they need to rent a house.
That's very interesting.
Sure.
What are the premiums based on? Is it based on the type of home, a single family versus a multifamily, the age, the condition, etc.?
All those things impact the premium. Typically, all insurance companies use some modeling and scoring system. But in addition to that, the age of the home, the type of material used to construct the home, and the amount of units and square livable feet are all things that impact the home. And then obviously the type of construction inside the home. All those factors are considered.
Great. Is a home inspection required then?
Not all the time. So, a home inspection typically is required, I would say, about 50% of the time. Obviously, the insurance companies care about the asset that they are providing insurance for, so they'll do routine inspections, sometimes up front during the underwriting process, or very often after they carry the risk. The time they'll do random inspections just to make sure that the homeowners is upkeeping the house.
Great. And how does someone keep their premium down?
A variety of ways, actually. First and foremost, you can take a look at the deductible strategy. The higher the deductible, then the lower the premium. But we take a look, and it's very important to have the correct replacement value of the home. But sometimes one of the most effective ways to do that is by combining your other types of insurance with the home. Say, if you bring in your auto and you combine it with your home, you get a substantial discount with many carriers.
Like a bundle.
Correct.
Interesting. Okay, and lastly, if you don't already own a home, do you recommend renter's insurance?
Absolutely. Very important. Renter's insurance, first and foremost, is very, very affordable. You can spend probably for 50 cents a day, you can provide protection. But again, think about it. If you're renting an apartment and you have a theft to your belonging, that provides coverage for that. It also provides, again, for that loss of use. If something happens and you can't habitate that rent, you can now go and live in a hotel. If it's just a temporary stay, or if it's a longer stay, we'll go out and rent you another apartment until you can find someplace permanent to live.
That's important. Great information. Thank you so much, Carlos. I hope everyone got something good out of this little interview. We are here to help. Please feel free to reach out. We're here all the time. Thank you so much, Carlos. It was a pleasure having you here.
Thank you.
Thank you.